Hey guys, Sunto Sport here, back with another video, and today's series the Nature #2. Let's go guys. Look at this beautiful 360. This is the nature, this is what it has to be. I hope you'll enjoy. Now let's fall right into the video. This is the time lapse. Let's go on the top of this peak. And bam, we are at the top. We are right there. So as you can see, weather was pretty nice to us, so we can go up, record this, as you can see. And I was stupid too, right? You'll see, all will come in time. And there, all the mountains, this includes the nature. So I hope you're happy to see this series because you requested it, and yeah, I just tried to record it and I hope it was okay. So today in the nature, I am going to explain you, if you don't know, a history about these mountains that you see. So they are like 65 million years old, and you know how they exist today, because there was really like explosion of volcano, and it was so creepy, because volcano actually made an earthquake, and then these little peaks become like these kind of high mountains, and this is why we're standing today right there. And then these mountains just like, it was so creepy earthquake. And yes, these mountains that you'll see right now are 65 million years old. So I don't know, that's not old, right? And then when these mountains stand for like 4 million years, something like that, then the lava, actually volcano, explode again and made this, as you can see there is city, right? So all these hills I'm sorry, and all this stuff, all cities, all this was made by magma, because the volcano exploded. And then, yep, I know, it's crazy how magma made it out. By the way, this what I touched and I fell, this was an electric shock for animals, and it's crazy, so don't try to touch it. It's, oh my god, it was too much. So yes, this is the secret. I think it was, bam, wow. When I just like, when teacher this told me, I was just like, what? How's it possible? But then this scientific and this science and all scientific explanations and all this, you know what I mean. So in river that I'll record in the Nature #3, episode 3, however you wanna call it, there in the river, this river was not made by just water, it was made by magma before water comes to all this and flood all the cities and all this.
Okay guys, I'm going to climb.
Yes guys, it's surprise. Show you here the bonus climb. Beautiful. This is the bonus video, the bonus climb to see the view because it's beautiful, and you can see how lava and magma made all this. And you can see the nature, because this is nature and this is history. Nature is history of our humanity, of our population, and this is why we should keep the earth clean. Can you see how beautiful is that? This is why we should keep the earth clean. So yes, just keep the earth clean and it will be cool. Okay guys, this will be all for today's video. Now the long but really long credits will come, and
Bye, everyone.
of course, thank you very much. See you in the next video, everyone. Subscribe, comment, like if you want. If you don't want, then bye, and have a nice day. Keep the earth clean. Bye.